Hello learners, this is Yashas. I'll be the instructor for your Arduino programming course. In the previous episode, you have learned the concept of comments. But to move further, I want to get you clarified like how the setup and loop function works. If you remember, in one of the episodes, we have talked about these functions. These are called bare minimum functions. If you're familiar with the concept of C programming or maybe C++, you have come across with the main function, which is the entry point for every program that we write in C or C++, which means this main function is getting called every time whenever we run the C or C++ program. What I was to clarify is, in Arduino programming, we have similar main function that is getting called every time we run our program. But then, this is in the form of setup and loop instead main. This is just a naming that the Arduino community has given to it. However, the operation is same. So to dig deep, we'll see how these functions work. But then, don't worry about the terms that I use. I know you're totally a beginner to this course, have kept everything in my mind to make you understand these concepts and not to face problems that I really faced when I actually started my own journey of Arduino programming. So we were talking about the function operation, isn't it? Now consider an example. There are two people. One is you and your sibling. So if your mom allows you some work to do, think that you're quite lazy and you did that work just for once and kept quiet for the rest of the time. But your sibling seemed to be more active and he was watching at you while you did your work. Soon you stopped doing the work. He did his work until mom said to stop. Now let's apply this same analogy to a coding. So this setup function is you and the loop function is your sibling. What this setup function does is it just runs only once in the Arduino whenever it is powered up. Not because it is lazy, it is built such a way that it runs only once. Let's see it in a practical approach. So we have seen that we'll be using serial begin to invoke the serial library. So by this we have invoked our serial library so we can communicate with our Arduino through our computer. So let's see like how this setup function works. I'll print something in the serial monitor so you'll be able to understand it better. So now if I upload this to my Arduino, I have connected my Arduino to my laptop and now I'll upload this code. So the compilation and upload is complete. So I'll open my serial monitor. So you can see the message, isn't it? This is the message. Hello, this line is getting printed once. This is how the void setup works. Now comes to a loop function. As soon as the setup stops doing its work, loop initiates the work that is allotted to it and does the repetition until it is powered off. This is just a direct word. Loop means it keeps looping. Whenever the Arduino is set to reset state, it terminates out of the loop and does the same from the beginning. In a practical approach, we'll see by coding. This line is getting printed. Now I'll upload this code to my Arduino. The upload is complete. Yeah, just look at it. We can see the line, right? This is showing that line is getting printed repeatedly. This is it for this episode and we'll meet in the next episode. Thank you.